What's up, guys? Welcome back to Back Road Driver.
We're the Mizer Brothers.
I'm Brad.
And I'm Sam.
Today, we are gonna race our 760 horsepower stock GT500 that we call Zilla
against our most definitely not stock 1,000 horsepower F150, and we call it the Wolf. We've raced our GT500 against our dearly departed GT350, and of course the 500 won handily, hands down the faster car.
And we've raced the Wolf against a Shelby F150 with a supercharger and the Ram TRX with a supercharger, and I'll have to say in both cases the Wolf won bigly.
Are you saying bigly?
No, Sam, I'm saying big league, and we won big league. Big league.
Gotcha. We're gonna race from a dig and we're gonna race from the 40 roll. We're gonna go twice each. That way we know the results are final. I think this is gonna be a bad day for the Wolf over here.
He's wrong. The Wolf is dynoed at 845 at the rear tires. It launches in 4-wheel drive. I think it's over with for Zilla.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
It weighs a lot.
It does launch better. We've driven both of these. We both know. The GT500 has the dual clutch transmission, super silky smooth. I mean,
It's quick. We'll see. Let's look at the tail of the tape and go race. Call it. Just run me down. Call it.
Well, guys, you see that the Wolf here, man, it just pulls so hard from a dig. It takes off so fast, man. You can't catch up in the 500. I was having a hard time with launching it. I figured out about the best way to launch the 500, about 2 grand, and then brake torquing it. Guys, it spins a little bit no matter what. There's nothing that's gonna stop that. And by then, the Wolf's gone. You're trying to play catch up, and you're just never gonna catch the Wolf at that point.
As you can see, I didn't expect that. I was a little surprised. Sam did launch from 3rd gear on the first pull and 2nd gear on the 2nd pull. So if the 500 launches in 2nd gear from a 40 roll, he's probably gonna get the Wolf, I don't know, 9 out of 10 times. It's just too much. It's just too much high end power. The shifts are so crisp. Pretty evenly matched from a roll. Go down in the comments and let me know what you think.
We need to get both these vehicles on a prep surface at the same time. I think the Wolf and the 500 at a track could have a little bit different ending than today. We got to get a good launch with the 500, and it just doesn't have it on the street. Make sure you guys subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We just made a new playlist. It's gonna have all of our races. We'll put it down in the description.
Check out some more videos right here, right now, and down in the description. And guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.